Hello everyone, I am Jumso Singh of class 10. Today we are going to discuss about class 10, chapter number 5, periodic classifications of elements. First, we learn about names of groups. First, alkalic metals. Second, alkali earth metals. 3 to 12, transition metals. 13, boron family. 14, carbon family. 15, nitrogen family. 16, oxygen family. 17, halogens. 18 is noble or inert gas. Metals and non-metals. First, metals. What is metals? Metals is electropositive. Metals gives electrons. That's why sign is positive. Second, non-metals. What is non-metals? Non-metals is electronegative. Non-metals takes electrons. That's why sign is negative. Electronic configuration. It is the distribution and arrangement of electrons in the atomic cells KLMN. एक एटॉमिक सेल्स KLMN में इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और अरेंजमेंट करता है उसे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कहते हैं। एग्जांपल नीचे दिए गए हैं, आप देखते ही समझ जाएंगे। व्हाट इज़ वैलेंसी? इट इज़ द नंबर ऑफ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। व्हाट इज़ वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? इट इज़ द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द आउटरमोस्ट शेल दैट हेल्प्स इन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन। एक इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल को हेल्प्स करता है बॉन्ड फॉर्म बनाने के लिए, उसे वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कहते हैं। नोबल और इनर्ट गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। फर्स्ट, द फील्ड वैलेंस सेल इज द नोबल और इनर्ट गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन। एक वैलेंस शेल में भरा होता है उसे नोबल और इनर्ट गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कहते हैं। Second, bonds are made to attain noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration को attain करने के लिए bond बना है। Bond formation. There are two types of bond formation. First, ionic bonds जो देता है, और second, covalent bond जो share करता है। Atomic radius. First point, atomic radius decreases through or over the period due to increase in number of electrons. Second point, atomic radius increases on going down the group due to increase in cells. This is the easy one. I am not explain it. When you read this, then you can understand better. This is the last topic of this chapter. Attempts to create periodic table. Doberiner's trait. Doberiner's trait classification elements into three groups and call them traits. All elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic masses. The atomic mass of middle element was roughly the average of the masses of other two elements. Here the example, you can see it. Made three groups of traits. Doberiner's drawback is not useful as not many elements were known. Newland's law of octaves. Newland's arranged elements in the groups of 8. First element and eighth elements had similar properties. He arranged them on increasing order of atomic masses. 56 elements were known. Newland's drawback is applicable only up to Ca. New elements did not fit anywhere. Mendeleev's period table. Mendeleev's elements known 63. He arranged elements into 3 periods and 8 groups on the basis of similar properties. Mendeleev's periods law. The properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic masses. Features: he select O and H due to their reactive nature and formed compounds with most elements. Second, these oxide and hydrates were considered basic of classifications. 3. He left some spaces for undiscovered elements. Mendeleev's limitation is no fixed position for hydrogen and isotopes of all elements. मैं यहाँ एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि यह देखने से थोड़ा थोड़ा पता चलते हैं और आप लोग ये देखने से और पढ़ने से आपको अच्छी तरह समझ में आया होगा।